I'm Wasik and you're watching another episode of Artist Life. Today, I'd like to show you an easy way of drawing a mouth. So, if you're ready, let's start. Well guys, okay, so now I'm going to show you how to draw the mouth, okay? So, within the mouth here, there's this flow right there which separates the top of the lips, the lower portion of the lips, and here's a center flow right there, if you notice. Now I like to break this into just shapes, okay? So here, the lower lips being a little bit fuller would obviously have larger shapes, and then once you have this, everything else is sort of like outlining. Now take a look at this here. So which goes about right there. The other side, which goes about right there. Now I'm using these shapes here for my advantage, okay? And then here is the bottom portion, goes about right there. There and right there. So if you wanted to draw some planes, you can do that right there, there, and then I don't know, that. And if you want to shade just a little bit, you can. So that would be the bottom portion, okay? So very quickly guys, that's how you draw a mouth. Again, it's not like really detailed, and I did not want this to be a detailed exercise. It was supposed to just be a very loose way of starting. Now what I would do is I would take this and really develop it into a detailed drawing. So this is how to start the drawing, not necessarily how to finish the drawing. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. All right. Well guys, thank you so much once again for watching this episode of Artist Life. I hope you had fun. Until next time, happy drawing. Bye.